Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the rear wheel studs. Lift the rear of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the back shock absorbers on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. To begin with, remove the rear mudguard, which will make it easier for you to access the upper shock absorber retaining bolt. To do this, use a flat screwdriver or pickle fork. Unscrew the two plastic nuts holding the mudguard. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, remove the 4 plastic rivets holding the mudguard by prying on the central part. Then pull out the mudguard. Remove the plastic cover from the upper shock absorber nut. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Using a 16mm spanner, a socket wrench and a 16mm socket, loosen and remove the upper fastening nut. Brush the bottom of the shock absorber and spray it with penetrating oil. This will help with future manipulations. Then, using a socket wrench, an extender and a female E16 Torx socket, loosen the lower shock absorber bolt by a few threads. Use the jack to release the tension of the bolt, thus making it easier to remove. Finish unscrewing the lower shock absorber retaining bolt. Remove the upper bolt. You can now extract the shock absorber.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new shock absorber. Before installing the new shock absorbers, it is necessary to prime them by pressing the shock absorber rod vertically so that the gas and the hydraulic fluid are separated. Put the new shock absorber in place by its lower part. Then insert it into the upper part. Put the upper bolt back in place. Then screw it back on. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. Put the lower bolt back in place, then screw it back on. To avoid damaging the silent blocks, you need to tighten the retaining bolts with the rear axle in the vehicle in the ground position. Lift the rear axle with a jack. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. You will then be able to take off the jack. Put the plastic cover of the upper shock absorber nut back in place. Reassemble the mudguard, taking care to reassemble all the rivets and nuts. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. You will then be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.